Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So when you've just purchased some film, and it makes no difference if it's new film or outdated film, what you want to do is you want to keep it in the refrigerator, okay? And what you want to do specifically is purchase one of those mini refrigerators just to keep film in, okay? You need to keep it stored in a cool area, all right? And it's best to do that. So you don't want to put it in a refrigerator with food and things like that, because you're going to have bacteria and stuff like that that's going to get into your film. So it makes no difference if it's standard 8mm, 16, single 8, or super 8. You want to go ahead and put your film in that cool refrigerator to keep it all good, all right? When you take it out, you know, maybe let it sit put it into the camera, or leave it out and let it sit for about an hour before filming, and then you'll be good to go, okay? So that's just a big tip right there, and you're really going to need that, okay? So let's take a look at some other things. Now for me, after I've been working on a cartridge of film, like with a single 8, okay, I take these plastic bags like this, and I slide it in here. This is my method. It may not be for everyone, but this is what I believe in. Give it a few spins, 3 or 4, and I tie it up. Because before I put it in the refrigerator, I don't want any type of water condensation dripping onto the film. Okay, so that's the reason I tie it up. It makes no difference if you're using the single 8, whatever, 16, standard 8, or the super 8. Still put it into the box if you want to. Okay, I generally do, and I still put this within a bag. Okay, then it goes into the refrigerator. Alright, so I put my single 8 and super 8 in here. There's my single 8. Put it right into here, just like that. Alright, so there I am. All good. And that's my setup. Alright, so remember everybody, make sure to keep your film in the refrigerator, in a cool, dry place. Otherwise, if it's in a hot area like an attic or storage in some way where it's really, really hot and humid, it could end up like this. Gooey, sticky, okay? And it may not even advance through the camera. And that could cause damage to your camera, to the motor, all right, and to the gears inside there. And you don't want that, all right? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.